In today's challenging economic climate, sari-sari stores continue to play a vital role in serving Filipino communities and supporting local livelihoods. Recognizing their importance, Pure Gold rolls out its biggest ever Tindahan ni Aling Puring convention this year at the World Trade Center in Pasay City, bringing together more than 150 partner brands under one roof. The three-day event offers exclusive business deals, networking opportunities, product showcases, and learning sessions designed to help small entrepreneurs grow and succeed. We're here to have a closer look at how Pure Gold continues to empower the country's sari-sari store businesses through this massive gathering.
Ang tindahan ni Aling Puring, our convention every year, ang aim po namin palagi is to celebrate with our tindahan ni Aling Puring members. But more than just a celebration, this is our commitment to help them succeed in their business. This year's theme, Simula ng Panalong Lakbay, is a testament to how we would like to help every Filipino start their own business. Dito po sa tindahan ni Aling Puring, tuturuan namin kayo paano magsimula ng sarili ninyong negosyo at tutulungan din po namin kayo paano mapaikot yung puhunan ninyo at mapalago, mapagtagumpayan ang sinimulan ninyo. Rising cost, fuel, mahal, ang bilihin tumataas, pero dito sa tindahan ni Aling Puring Convention, namimigay po kami ng mga produkto at very high discounts. Meron kami 999 pesos, isang sakong bigas na yan. We have 88 pesos negosyo kit bundle packs. You can start your own business just by coming here. Tuturuan po namin kayo. Marami din po kaming food sampling at more than that, meron kaming mga negosyo seminar. Kasi ayaw namin na bentahan lang kayo. Gusto namin mapalago ninyo ang negosyo ninyo. Ang sari-sari stores natin mula noon, mula umpisa hanggang ngayon, they play an important role, no? Not just as a tindahan ni Aling Puring member, but as a valuable member of the community. Ang tindahan ni Aling Puring member, hindi lang siya basta-basta tindahan. They are part of every family ng siniservan niya na community. Maraming magagandang kwento tungkol sa paano nag-evolve yung relationship ng sari-sari store owners at paano siya nakakatulong sa kanyang community. Katulad ng relationship yan ni Aling Puring dun sa aming mga members. Mula umpisa hanggang ngayon, maraming taon, we always make sure na ang tindahan nila natutulungan namin. Masaya kami, no, kasi pinapakita nito sa amin na marami pa rin mamamayang Pilipino yung nangangarap magkameron ng sarili nilang negosyo. At doon pumapasok yung tindahan ni Aling Puring. Kung meron kang pangarap magumpisa, maging sarili mong boss, tutulungan ka namin. Hindi ka lang namin tutulungan magumpisa, tutulungan ka namin mapalago ang negosyo mo. This is open to all tindahan ni Aling Puring members, Perks members. We are open to the public. Marami pong kasiyahan dito, hindi lamang murang produkto. Marami kaming inimbitang mga celebrities para pasiyahin kayo. But more than that, meron din kami mga negosyo seminars para turuan kayo ng tamang pagnenegosyo.
Siyempre, gusto namin na sumali dito sa Aling Puring Convention to give support to the Filipino people and to get our brands out there, to let more people know about our brands and the Alagang Unilab quality that our brands are known for. Siyempre, ang produkto namin, dapat quality na walang duda, sulit ang halaga. Only Unilab can guarantee that for the Filipino population. We'd like to support Pure Gold and the Co family. They have made such an impact on the marketplace today, and we'd like to participate in that. We'd like to partner and collaborate with the Pure Gold and the Co family with that.
So Pure Gold is one of our biggest partner in business for Universal Robina. Year on year, we actually support Pure Gold here in their TNAP convention. So syempre, di ba, annually, it's the time we meet our sari-sari store owners. It's the time na we get to give back to them via deals and yung mga nakikita niyong pakulo sa baba.
So is there anything you would like to highlight in particular here in this convention?
Yeah, so as mentioned, Universal Robina, we're a heritage brand, one of the leading manufacturers in the snacking and beverage company in the Philippines. So what we have is our strong brands such as Great Taste, Jack and Jill, which covers Piatos, Nova, Chippy, Cloud9, Max. In short, mga kinalakihan nating mga produkto dito sa Pilipinas. So that's what we're offering here if you go in our booth. And meron din kami mga exciting prizes if they buy a specific purchase requirements. And not just here, we have some satellite booths also para to make sure that we're all well covered dito sa convention natin. So marami po kaming pakulo, marami kaming freebies once they go here in our convention with our strong products.
Siyempre, more than the sales, di ba? We're all here to sell to our Sari-Sari store members. Maybe more on makilala talaga nila si URC. Alam naman namin, kilala na nila yung brands namin. So, mas makilala pa yung new products namin and mas makatulong sa mga negosyo, especially in these times. We want to help out yung mga Sari-Sari store owner partners natin.
If they go here in our booth, makikita nila yung mga promos namin. Actually, malalaki yung mga savings na makukuha nila. Not just savings, may mga free items, free products. So, at the end of this convention, for sure, malaki talaga yung kikitain ng mga Sari-Sari store members dito. Yeah.
Yearly naman kasi sumasali kami sa mga convention at the same time. So para rin ma-promote yung product namin, since kami almost 50 years na rin kami nagbibigay ng quality na product dito sa Pilipinas at the same time. Isa po kami sa mga supplier ni Pure Gold na nagbibigay din ng mas magandang quality. Mapapansin niyo po yung mga pride po namin. So Filipino made po siya. Yung 2 kilos po kasi sir namin sa ibang supermarket is nasa 200 pesos siya. So dito po sa TNAP is 190 lang siya. At the same time, yung Smart Pace po namin, pag bumili po kayo ng 4 pieces, 85 pesos lang siya. So nakaka-save po kayo ng nasa 24 pesos. Mas nakikilala po yung, hindi lang po yung brand name namin, at the same time, pati yung product namin.
Ang Mogu Mogu po ay nag-participate ngayon sa Aling Puring Convention para po maibahagi namin at maipatikim namin sa mga kaasenso ang #1 Nata de Coco sa Pilipinas. Ang mga kaasenso, kapag visit nyo yung booth namin, marami kaming promos and freebies. Meron kaming mga bundles and then pag nag-avail kayo ng bundles, may makakuha kayo mga Mogu Mogu merch and then discounted price.
Actually, yung company namin is very good for those convenience store or mga convenience customers natin na we have affordable products naman.
Tipid sa presyo, pero hindi tipid sa sarap. Yun yung gusto naming ma-highlight kasi kilala lang kami na mura, pero hindi nila alam na with that price, yung quality mataas siya. And it's something that the public should try.
Siyempre, alam naman natin na si Pure Gold is kilalang na rin po yan. Tapos siyempre, si CDO naman po is isa rin siya sa mga kilala na tinatangkilik ng buong Pilipinas, ng buong tao. Kasi ano siya, sir, pangmasa na tinatangkilik ng mga tao talaga siya.
#1 is to market all of our products. So our core brands, of course, we have the Absolute Distilled Water, Summit Mineral Water, and of course, always panalo kay Pure Gold. So we're highlighting all of the Sari-Sari store and small retailers to be part of this event so we can also offer them our good deals.
Descorp and Pure Gold, we already have a good relationship for the past few years now. That's why we keep on supporting all the events of Pure Gold. And of course, our brands has so much na pwedeng ibigay sa mga customers ng Pure Gold. And all out naman kami for the support sa Pure Gold. We all have the promos na pwede nyong makuha. We have body care, hair care, and skincare items na available with different promos, no? And sulit na sulit po lahat ng pera nyo dito sa convention na to, and lahat ng pwede nyong bilhin and makuha, yon nandito naman na.
Well, as you know, si Pure Gold, laging panalo talaga sila with deals for the customers. So this TNAP convention, ang gaganda ng mga deals. And for us, we know yung consumers, we wanted to offer them yung mga magagandang promos. So that's what motivates us to always partner with Pure Gold to give our consumers good deals. So dito talaga makikita nyo that Green Cross is offering very good deals for our consumers. From Green Cross, of course, our fastest moving SKUs, yung mga household brands na we have Zonrox, we have Del, we have Green Cross Alcohol, na alam naman natin that every Filipinos have in their household. So we want to highlight these brands that are very good quality for our consumers. Partnering with Pure Gold in this convention or mga events na ganito really highlights kung ano yung may offer natin to our consumers. Not just the quality of our brands, but it being of value sa ating mga consumers. And kami sa Green Cross, we believe better households, better lives for generations. And us partnering with Pure Gold, naha-highlight talaga yon.
Same goal ng Pure Gold is to help yung progress ng mga consumers, yung mga mamimili nila. About Ajinomoto. Yung Ajinomoto sometimes may negative thinking yung mga tao sa Ajinomoto. Pero yung Ajinomoto, it helps consumers. Aside from pasarap yung pagkain natin, kasi masustansya yung Ajinomoto. And yung Ajinomoto dito sa Pure Gold Convention, I think it will help yung mga sari-sari store para mas malaki yung kita nila. So kung makikita nyo sa booth namin, makikita nyo yung mga discounts, yung promos, we have a lot of freebies. For me, expectation for the consumers, uuwi silang masaya, uuwi silang may asenso. Katulad ng Gold ni Pure Gold, lahat tayo aasenso. And expectation to our company, syempre, mas stock out yung mga paninda namin today. And babalik at babalik yung mga consumers namin even after the convention.
For this event, gusto namin i-highlight yung mga bagong produkto namin, no? From Champion, Kala, and Hana. Si Champion ang powder and meron na tayong liquid detergent. At same din with Kala, mayroon tayong bagong liquid detergent for Kala. And of course, our Hana, especially our collagen plus keratin na conditioner for Hana. We want to ensure that tuloy-tuloy ang biyaheng asenso ng Peerless together with Pure Gold across all stores nationwide. Yeah.
Unang sa lahat, siyempre para makatulong sa mga Pilipino, sa mga sari-sari owners, para mabigyan sila ng mga produkto na Silver Swan na makakatulong sa para gumanda yung kanilang hanap buhay at sa makatulong sa mga mamimili at mapalapit sa mga customer. Siyempre, una sa lahat yung produkto na Silver Swan saka yung aming Wow Sarap. Kasi yung aming Wow Sarap, kumbaga cheaper siya, mas masarap pa. Kaya yun yung pinupush namin sa tindahan na convention na to. Para sa result, mauubos yung aming tinda dito. Pagka kasi sumali ka sa TNF convention, lalo ni Pure Gold. Buong Pilipinas yan.
Pure Gold, as the largest retailer in the country, has been a partner for the past 20 years. So us, as one of the bigger players within the FMCG industry, of course partners with Pure Gold so that we can reach out to as many consumers and touch as many lives as possible.
So for this year, we want to highlight, of course, our best offerings of our products here. No, we also want kasi that all of our products reach to every sari-sari store and every consumer in the Philippines.
Something I can share with everyone who runs their own business is always put your consumers and your customers first. No matter what happens, kung maganda yung negosyo, if there's a lot of headwinds that we face, as long as you always put your consumers first, you'll be able to adapt, you'll be able to adjust your strategies, and that will help you survive, just as P&G Philippines has been in the country for almost a century.
What an insightful day to see how robust our sari-sari store industry is. And the tindahan ni Aling Puring Convention has certainly delivered panalong lakbay tungo sa tagumpay. Pure Gold has definitely cornered one of the sectors that drive the country's growth. And today's event stood testament to that. This has been Marco Ramos for Open for Business.